Asteroids and meteors, they're shooting stars and the stuff of science fiction, but they're a very real part of our solar system and they've had a profound impact on our planet's history. Our solar system formed from a giant cloud of gas and dust about 4.6 billion years ago. As this cloud collapses in on itself, gravity pulls the material together, forming the planets around it, with the Sun and Earth at the center. But all was not well. Between Mars and Jupiter, there was material left over that didn't quite combine to form a planet. This leftover material is now the asteroid belt, a rotating disk of millions of rocky objects. Asteroids come in all shapes and sizes, from tiny pebbles to giants that are dozens of miles across. And while most of them stay safely out in the asteroid belt, some of them cross over with Earth. When a small asteroid enters Earth's atmosphere, friction with the air burns it up, creating a stream of light that we call a meteor. We see these streaks of light as meteor showers when Earth passes through the debris stream left by a comet. But sometimes a larger asteroid makes it through the atmosphere and collides with Earth. The most famous example of this is the Tunguska event of 1908, when an asteroid exploded over Siberia, flattening millions of trees and injuring hundreds of people. Perhaps the most dramatic asteroid impact on Earth came 66 million years ago when an asteroid 6 miles across hit what is now Mexico. This impact is believed to have caused the extinction of the dinosaurs, along with 75% of all life on Earth. The impact created a huge crater called the Chicxulub crater and sent shockwaves and dust clouds around the world. These impacts blocked the sun for months, causing global cooling and mass extinctions. Today, astronomers are constantly scanning the sky for potentially dangerous asteroids. By tracking their orbits, we can hopefully one day predict and even prevent asteroid impacts from happening again. Asteroids may be a reminder of the dangers of the universe, but they are a part of our planet's history. By understanding them, we can better protect ourselves from future threats and learn more about the incredible story of our solar system.